Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. What is Amazon Music? Amazon Prime Music is one of Amazon's subscription that has plenty of benefits, and these benefits go beyond just music. It's like they combine all these many benefits into one package and they call it Prime Music. The first major benefit that comes with Prime Music is unlimited ad-free access to over 2 million songs and albums. 2 million. On top of that, the second benefit is you get to stream over 40,000 movies and TV episodes. And then the third benefit is you can borrow books from Kindle's owner's lending library. And the last benefit, which is really my favorite benefit out of all of them, I will really buy this package just for this because you save so much money on shipping. You get unlimited free shipping on minimum orders. All this stuff just for $99 a year. This is completely worth it. And if you don't think it's worth it and you're still doubting, I have a link for free 30-day trial that you can end at any moment. Just give it a try for 30 days and you don't have to pay for that 30 days. It's a free trial. If you want that link to that free 30-day trial, click in my video description, and also let me know what you think in the comment section. Please share this subscription to all your friends. Okay? Thank you for watching.